This is a video design I'm working on. For you to understand what is going on my design page, let me go over here to this grid view here. So let's see how many pages I have. As you can see, I have only one page. So I'm going to go back from this grid view. If I pull this timeline up for you to see what is going on my design page. So looking at my videos here, there are different clips with different shades of colors. So to color grade your videos, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start with one of the clips. So we are going to do it backwards. You can choose to do it forward. So I'm going to pick this last clip here. This clip is selected. This video is selected here. As you can see, the video is 5 seconds. And I will click on edit, which opens up this pane. And I'll come over to filters and I'll click on see all. There are a bunch of filters here. You can go through each of the filters and know the look you want to go for. There are a lot of filters. You can decide to go for the Nordic filter depending on the look and the vibe you're trying to convey in your video. But for me, I'm going for the cool kind of vibe. So I'm going to come on that cool here. And this is the vibe I'm looking for. So I'm going to pick this one that says candy. I'm not going to touch the intensity. I'm going to leave it at 100. And we've gotten the vibe of what this video to look like. Now that I have the vibe, I'm going to go to the next clip. Now that I'm on the next clip, you see it's still under the filter. I'm still going to click on this candy again. You see it's beginning to vibe the way I want my video to look like. I'll go to the next clip and I'll also pick this vibe again. This one also, you see how I change this. This is the original color, how it looked like. And if we apply this filter to it, you see how it changed the whole color the video has. You also see this one, how it looks now. This is the original look of the video. And when we apply the filter to it, this is what it looks like. So I will do that for all the clips I have. Now, if you're wondering how I place this video all to be in one page, so I use the timing to place them in different positions on the page. But you don't necessarily need to lay your video like this, but for me, this was easier for me to understand when I was creating this. Now, let's preview what we've created. This is how to add color grading to your video like a professional in Canva. I offer a 1-month personalized coaching on how to use Canva. If this is something you're interested in, click on the link in the description and it will take you to the page where you can see everything about it. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.